Hey you guys, my name is Turkissa Wilson, and in today's video we are going to do a simple baby bottle. No equipment needed. You don't need a computer, you don't need a printer, you don't need no paint, you don't need no glitter. You can cross all of that stuff off. All you need is a simple sticker and you're good to go. Go ahead and watch this tutorial and I'm going to show you step by step how to create this simple, easy to do, custom made baby bottle. Hey you guys, I just want to show you a very simple way to customize your baby bottle. This right here is a very beginner friendly. And also, if you are not comfortable with working with epoxy, you can always use Crystal Lake, aka Bright Tone. Okay. Now, we're going to use a 5-ounce baby bottle. We're going to use tape, black tape, and a sticker or image of your choice. Okay, you don't need gloves. I'm just doing a whole bunch of stuff, so I just want to get this tutorial completed and show you something simple in case you like that clean look. You don't want to mess with glitter, you don't want to mess with paint, you don't need any equipment with computer, a cutting machine, none of that. If you all you have to do is just find a sticker. Any sticker will do. You can even go to Dollar Tree and find you a sticker big enough for this image. Or if you want a nicer look, you can simply scratch this image off with your Scotch pad and take your acetone, which is nail polish remover, but it has to be 100% acetone and cotton ball, and take this image right off. But we're not going to do that today. I'm just going to put my image directly on top of the image that's already on the bottle. Again, this is very simple. We're not going to paint. We're not going to do anything. We're just going to simply add an image. That's in, of course, our epoxy. Epoxy of your choice. I recommend tumbler epoxy for your baby bottles, okay? So this is where we at. I already taped off the neck of the bottle. I already taped up the measurements. Now, still got some visible. I know you're like, then why are you taping it up if we're not going to? Because I'm going to scratch up the bottle still with our Scotch pad. And I don't want to mess up my numbers and scratch that all up. So, as soon as we finish buffing this, I'm going to remove the tape right back off. And we're going to go ahead with our epoxy, all right? So I'm simply just going to take my Scotch pad and scuff up the bottle. I just want my epoxy to adhere to the bottle a little bit. So I'm just going to go ahead and scuff it up. You're not going to see the scratch marks once you add your epoxy because it's going to seal it right up. So it doesn't have to be anything fancy. That's good. Now, usually I say wipe it down with alcohol, but lately when I've been using alcohol, I kind of mess up. Well, I guess it ain't going to matter in this case because we're not going to add paint, so I take that back. But I'm just going to wipe it down with a dry paper towel. That's what I have been doing lately with prepping my bottles, is because it seemed like the alcohol, like when I'd be painting them and stuff, it'd be messing up my paint. So I'm going to wipe this down real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, now I wiped down the baby bottle with just a clean paper towel. And I am going to remove this tape back off because we don't need it anymore. See, our numbers are still on there. Nice. It's still good. And I'm just going to take this image that I already have and place it directly over. Oh, you know what? That is not going to look right. So let me see. Because I got these other images. We're going to rock with one of these babies over here. I wanted to do a boy bottle, but we're going to rock with this girl right here. Hopefully, yep, there she is. Her head big enough to cover up that image. And we're going to rock with her. Stick her right up on there. Perfect. You guys, there she is. And all I'm going to do is add epoxy to this bottle. Again, if you don't feel comfortable working with epoxy, you can always work with Bright Tone, okay? And I'm going to add my epoxy, and this bottle will be done. Okay, you guys, we are finished. We are finished. We are finished. Super simple, super easy. All you gotta do is get a sticker and stick it on your bottle. Put a coat of epoxy. Actually, 2 coats of epoxy. That depends on how thick your sticker is, because you want your bottle to be nice and smooth. You do not want to feel the sticker, okay? You want it to blend nicely with the bottle. So in this case, you would need 2 coats of epoxy, and you're good. The measurements is on the back, nice and clear. You do not see the scratch marks that we use with a Scotch pad. Super cute, super simple.